Vermont rider here. Today's ride is going to go up through Stowe and go up through Smugglers Notch. Right now we're coming out of Waterbury, Vermont. People might be familiar with Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Right here is Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory. Pretty popular stop for tourists coming through the area. And then as you go up into Stowe, there's the Trapp family lodge, which is the Von Trapps, which is of Sound of Music fame, and it's a beautiful resort they have up there with amazing views all around. I'll probably spin up there, take a couple shots, and then head up through Smugglers Notch and film that. So I'll check back in when I get into Stowe. I'm about 10 miles out from it right now, and get the camera going back there. All right, talk to you later. Right here up on the right hand side past this church steeple is Cold Hollow Cider Mill. Very popular stop, and I can smell the cider donuts right now. That place will, in the weekend, will be a mob scene. Coming into the village of Stowe. Right up ahead of us is the little village downtown area. We're gonna head out towards the ski areas though. Right here on the right hand side is the bike path that runs through town. It's pretty popular. A lot of families come out here and take their kids and ride bikes and just walk the path. It meanders through the woods and along the river here. It's really nice. Wow, the colors are really starting to change nice up here. I want to say it's probably about a week from full foliage. This is a brewery right here, Idle Time Brewing. Good place to go. I'm gonna pull into Alchemist Brewing to throw on my other camera here on the back of the bike, but pull in there and you can see that place. Like I said, it's one of the top rated breweries in the world. Some of the top beers in the world. One of them being named Heady Topper, which everybody comes from miles and miles away across the country to come here to get their beers. As you can see right here, this is the brewery right here. There you go. Let's spin through here. Alright, we're heading up to the Trapp family lodge out of Stowe. Wow, look at the view over there, that mountain. Trapp family lodge is based on from the Von Trapp family. The movie Sound of Music was based on them. Nice barn right there. This is a very high-end resort. It's kind of got the Bavarian style to it. Wow, the colors are really standing out here. Look at that. coming up on the lodge right here on our right hand side. Look at that. Ain't that something? There we go. Got a nice view of it right there. That was the Trapp family lodge. On to Smugglers Notch. Smugglers Notch used to be a pass they used back in the Prohibition days to smuggle booze and alcohol between here and Canada. So that's where it got it. That's where it got its name. Smugglers Notch State Park. Look at this. That's the notch right up there. We're going down first, and then we're going to start climbing up through the notch. This part where it says no tractor trailers right here. There's a reason for that. They get stuck in between the rocks up here. It's crazy. Every year we get 2 or 3 semis get stuck in there, and it shuts the road down until they can get them out. I'm going to pull into the ski lodge here real quick and spin around there, show you what that looks like. As you can see, this lodge has a lot of money invested into it. Yep, look at that. Okay, we're heading up Smugglers Notch now. You see the gondola for Stowe ski area comes right across right here. It's pretty neat. That takes people up the top of the mountain. There's a restaurant up there. So this is coming into a tunnel of trees, which is part of the Smugglers Notch Road. It's pretty awesome looking through here. See the cliffs coming down into the notch. Here we go. Look at this. You're going to see up here shortly, it's going to get very tight, twisty. There's going to be rocks sticking right out like boulders on it. You got to go around at a very slow speed. And this is the part of the road where the semi-trucks always get stuck up here. As you see, the sign says there's no center line, so you really got to be paying attention on the other side of the road. Idiots coming up and down this road that don't know that, you know, how tight it is. See this boulder in the edge here? This is the top of Smugglers Notch right here. A little tight spot. Make sure there's no cars coming. Nope. A lot of people get off here and they climb up those cliffs. The long trail comes right through here. It's part of the Appalachian Trail system.